Lalu and Peelu. Listen and enjoy this story. There was a hen. She had 2 chicks, Lalu and Peelu. Lalu was red. He loved red things. Peelu was yellow. He loved yellow things. One day, Lalu saw something on a plate. It was red. He ate it up. Oh no! It was a red chili. It was very hot. Lalu's mouth started burning. He screamed. Mother hen came running. Peelu came too. Peelu said, I will get something for you. Peelu brought a yellow laddu. Lalu gobbled up the laddu. His mouth stopped burning. Mother hen and Lalu kissed Peelu.